Now here is your beautiful living space where you can set up your couch. Now here is your kitchen space. Now here is your master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing a sample flat tour of codenamed Sansara, which is located in NIBM Annex, Pune and developed by Unitary Properties. As you can see, I am at the actual location और मेरे left side पे है sales office and the land parcel of this project. और उसी के आगे आपको इंटरनल रोड मिल जाती है जो आपको कनेक्ट करती है हड़पसर रोड. In this video, we will be discussing below points such as project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before dive into the project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first listed platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project will be constructed on 1 acre of land parcel with 1 tower which include 3-level parking plus 17 floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual road and this project is located near NIBM Annex, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है हड़पसर रोड 300 मीटर्स, NIBM 2.8 किलोमीटर and Royal Heritage Mall 1.8 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project with the help of the 3D model. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, multi-purpose court, party lawn, gazebo, kids play area and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of this 3 BHK sample flat which has a carpet area of 1044 square feet. Now this is the entrance and at the entrance you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living space. Now here is your beautiful living space where you can set up your couch and a space for TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the kitchen space. But are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक strong recommendation है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बाय सीरीज जरूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू. हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज को जरूर देखिए. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द किचन स्पेस. Now here is your kitchen space where you will get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink and attached dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Here you can customize a extra platform and a space for refrigerator. Now let's check out the dining space. Now here is your spacious dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the first bedroom. As soon as you enter, you get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer verified tiles. Now here is your beautiful first bedroom where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, you get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before that, you get a common washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. You also get a common sink. And now let's check out the second bedroom. Now here is your second bedroom where you can customize it as a kid's bedroom, where you can set up your bed and a space for study table. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, you get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now here is your master bedroom where you can set up your bed, and here you will get an attached small window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Here you will get a space where you can set up your wardrobe and attached master washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of codename Sensara, which is located in NIBM Pune and developed by Unitary Properties. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.